Target for Mumbai is going to be 230 in the allotted 20 overs at a required run rate of 11.5. The openers out there, Prithvi Shaw, 25 years old, and his partner is also very experienced, Ajinkya Rahane. B.S. Vinay Kumar, 4 wickets in 5 matches, economy 6. He's done well.
चौथी नहीं डालेगी जी, चौथी में लगा वो चौका, और यहाँ संपर्क कमाल का हुआ है.
Oh, that's Apesh. That's well struck as well. Oh, that's put away. That's put away on the onside. Going inside out. Lovely timing. That's a gorgeous shot. His angling is bad in the gap. Oh, that's Apesh just clearing the infield. Oh, that's put away. No issues for Prithvi Shaw. Another 6 for him. Once again trying to go over the top, and this time it's taken. Ricky Bhui making no mistake. Prithvi Shaw, he perishes. It was looking good. Important wicket as well. Stephen getting his first wicket. In comes Shreyas Iyer, the skipper. Makes room, goes inside out. That's hammered on the offside. Good timing as well. On the onside, doesn't matter. You change your angle, but Rahane, the form he is in, he won't miss any opportunity. That's clipped, and that's in the gap as well. That'll race away another boundary. Expensive over from Sasikanth. Oh, down the ground, just clearing the fielder. This time over the top, and oh, that should have been taken. Could have been a very important wicket. In the context of the game, Ajinkya Rahane, who was shaping up well, could have gone back. That was Prasad, the fielder. This time, that's Apesh, just clearing the fielders there.
और इस बार टाइमिंग उनका बहुत ही खूबसूरत.
Rocking back. So much of time. That's going to be another boundary. No stopping that.
और ये बैकफुट पर जाकर खूबसूरती के साथ खेला लॉन्ग ऑन की तरफ, और अपना अर्धशतक पूरा कर लिया रहाणे ने. 23 गेंदों में 50 रन रहाणे के. बहुत ही गजब का शॉट. बैकफुट पर गए, पुल किया, ऑन साइड में सीधा 6 रन के लिए. क्या स्ट्रोक है.
Once again, just spooning and playing in the gap. That's in the air. Didn't get a hold of that, but still enough to clear the ropes there.
और ये बॉल इस बार ऑफ स्टंप के बाद ही खुद ही अंदर की तरफ खींच लिया श्रेयस अय्यर ने. ऑफ साइड में खेलना चाहते थे, भीतरी किनारा लगा और बोल्ड हो गए.
He's out for 25 of 11 deliveries. Mumbai 126 for 2.
सूर्य कुमार यादव अब आए हैं. ये बैकफुट पर गए और ऑफ साइड में उठाकर मारा है खूबसूरती के साथ. और ये ऑफ साइड में खेला है, फिर एक्स्ट्रा कवर बाउंड्री की तरफ जा रही है, और फिर से वही परिणाम, 4 रन. और सूर्य कुमार यादव ने उठाकर मारा, ऊंची चली गई कैच के रूप में, और उसी के साथ ये आउट. ये विकेट गिर गया, गेंद के पिच तक नहीं थे.
ये बहुत बड़ी विकेट दिलाई है जी स्टीफन ने. धीमा डाला और ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर डाला, और अच्छा कैच भी पकड़ा प्रसाद ने वहां पे. सूर्य कुमार यादव को जाना पड़ेगा वापस. 4 बनाए मुंबई, 144 में 3. शिवम दुबे T20 कैरियर में 14 अर्धशतक इनके नाम है.
और इस बार खूबसूरती के साथ पुल कर दिया फाइन लेग बाउंड्री की तरफ. 4 रन. ये ड्राइव किया ऑफ साइड में, और ये 4 रन. और शिवम दुबे ने स्लेज हैमर शॉट. और इस बार इलाके में आई तो लॉन्ग ऑन के ऊपर से 6 रन. बैकफुट पर गए, और इस बार हम फील्डिंग की तारीफ ही कर रहे थे और यहां पर गलती की.
काफी ऊंची गई है गेंद, और खिलाड़ी नीचे आ गया और चूक कर गई. यहां पे चूक हुई है क्योंकि ये कैच शिवम दुबे की थी.
Yeah, once again Prasad was the fielder there. Oh, that's in the air. And that should be taken. Oh! What's happening here? What's happening here? The second time around. And that's the same fielder as well. The same fielder. He can't believe it, Prasad. That's in the air. And once again, spilling that catch. It's all happening. It's all happening for both the batters here. They're riding on the luck. Oh, goes down the ground. Lovely connection. This is the shot he was looking for. Once again down the track and finally taken. Finally taken. That's the end of Shivam Dube.
वो उंगलियां फेरी थी, वो गति नहीं दी थी और उन्होंने कहा भाई बाकी खिलाड़ी कैच नहीं पकड़ रहे ना, मैं हूं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
32 required to win for Mumbai of 18 deliveries. Goes for the big one on the onside. There's a fielder there. And this time finally grabs that one. Stephen, he strikes. And the set batter, Rahane, is got to go back. That's the prize wicket. That's the important wicket they were looking for.
अजिंक्य रहाणे को वापस जाना होगा. 95 बनाए, बहुत जबरदस्त पारी खेली अपनी टीम के लिए. मुंबई 198 पे 5.
Two new batters out there. Shams Mulani, he comes in. Goes for the big one, high up in the air. That should be taken. Here's Bharat calling for that and takes it. Another wicket falls. Another one bites the dust. Shams Mulani comes and he goes. And that's the second wicket in this over for Stephen.
शम्स मुलानी को जाना पड़ेगा वापस. 2 बनाए उन्होंने. मुंबई 200 पे 6.
The new batter of the crease for Mumbai is Shardul Thakur.
संपर्क अच्छा हुआ है. जी हां, बिल्कुल हुआ है.
On the onside once again. Another 6. Back-to-back sixes. Oh, goes for the big one. What a strike there. Another 6. 24 runs coming off that over. Once again going over the top. That's played well. And that's going to be a 4 as well. The scores are level. And this is the winning shot. That's the win for Mumbai. They have done it. They are into the knockout stage. What a win for Mumbai. Chasing 230, never easy. But they have won this game by 4 wickets. And the youngster, Shedge, doing the job for them. 30 of just 8 deliveries. What a fine effort by Shedge.
और मुंबई ने इस ग्रुप को टॉप भी कर दिया है.